The lukshya or the targets for foundational literacy and numeracy have been stated in four areas: oral language, reading, writing, and numeracy. Parents and community members should be involved in the preschool program through regular communication, workshops, PTMs, and parents' conferences. When schools are friendly and welcoming to family members, it is easier to craft successful partnership programs. Parents can create print and numeracy rich environment by labeling different parts of the house like room, kitchen, school bag, toilet, door, etc. Making home environment print rich helps parents and families in strengthening the child's foundational literacy skills. Why the involvement of community is beneficial for the school and children. Community has multiple resources, physical, financial, and human, which can be helpful for schools and the children. During a PTM, when the teacher talks about the child holding the book upside down, the teacher is talking to parents about a child's progress in book handling and foundational literacy. Providing developmentally appropriate toys or games to children at the foundational stage gives them chances to practice new skills in movement, creativity, thinking, and interaction. How can the parents or guardians be assisted in providing homeschooling to children with disabilities? Resource centers working in conjunction with special educators for homeschooling. Foundational language and literacy skills relate to children's skills related to language, expression, communication, etc. Which of the following is correct for motivating children towards foundational literacy at home? Shared reading. Asking parents or community to collect and bring in trashables and recycled materials will help to create relevant, safe, creative toys or games for FLN activities. Parents should be made aware of the learning outcomes identified for different class levels. Communities and parents should be made aware of the learning levels of children to achieve better learning outcomes. Parents can find locally available toys and materials which are not harmful for their child and make them learn in their own exploratory way. Which of the following activities can parents do to enhance children's story awareness? Read aloud. Regular sustained communication with parents and motivating them is important to involve parents and families for FLN. Which of the following methods should be used to educate parents to support children's learning? Keeping formal and informal interactions open to the convenience of parents. Lack of communication skills and methods on both the sides, parents and school, is one of the major reasons for low response of parents and community. The FLN can be enhanced by involving and educating parents in FLN activities.